Hey guys, we're the Slime Factory Girls.
Taste test, cool brownie. They both made a face when they ate it, so. Well, the reaction isn't as bad as Juliana's. So actually, that's not a brownie. Cardboard with like some sort of paste in the middle.
Yeah.
A cookie?
No, it's not.
Or like a cookie? But like, really processed. Wait, do a review of your spinach. I don't know why there's red stuff in it. It's fine. Not the best, but I'm hungry. So that means she gives it a not the best and she's hungry. So that means that it's pretty bad. Like -5. No, the brownie is -5. This is like perceived. It's like a 6.
Okay.
But actual is probably like 3.
Oh. Yeah, guys.
Wait, look.
Not another sticker!
No, we were looking at your sunscreen. Wait, another sticker.
Look, is gonna put it in the Google Drive.
It's not my phone.
And it's the same thing too.
They think I'm an enemy.
No one is posted on that drive.
What drive?
There's a drive.
Where?
Like,
Ooh. Eat it. I'm gonna play fire.
the same meeting where you're like in the Google Drive.
Oh. Okay. What was that? It's filming. Oh, hold on.
They just heard me.
Wait, hold on. I want to show them my cup. So this is my stand.
Wow.
That Juliana broke. Hold on. Let me zoom in. I'm zooming in. And it's also broken right there.
It wasn't John.
Oh. And it has a gator on top. And it has you can see it. And it has a gator like cover, but I can't really fit. Like it fits, but like it's hard to get on, so I just kind of let it hang. Then it has like a gator keychain. And Patty wants cookies here. I want to show him my thing.
You know what? None for you then. You won't get any if you're not a fan. Okay, time to make the borax. It's gonna get already? Yeah, it's gonna get. Okay, the water's been sitting here for like 10 minutes. Okay, well we first have to make the borax mix, the activator. Borax mixture. Okay. So we have a bowl of hot water that we boiled. No, I have a spoon. I love you so much. Why are you cutting it? Because it's not working. Okay, now we're pouring the borax into the bowl. I can't see anything. I'll let you do it. I can't see. Don't worry. Okay, I'll hold the bowl. How much are you supposed to pour? That's way too much. Oh my god. Is it really? It's fine, whatever. It's fine. Okay, then we have to mix the borax in. Let me just keep it here. Wait, we can pour our glue. Okay, we have 3 clears, white and
I've
some
got
whites,
clear
okay?
and I'm using clear.
And I call white. Wait, can we just use the entire like?
Fine, I'll make white. So when I get this blue, guys.
We can make it after. Yeah, we can make like more than one batch.
Okay, then I'll be.
Wait, can you open this? I can't open it. I got you. Are you sure you can open it? Someone help the slime girl out.
I got you.
Are you sure we don't need more borax? I feel like that was not a lot. That's good. We can always add more. Actually, we probably can.
I can't.
Okay, you want some?
I lied.
It's
You want
not any. I think I kind of want to drink it. Should I drink the borax water? Guys, I'm joking. Don't do this at home. Professionals only.
How much did you pour?
Oh my god! Wait, that's not a lot. That's not a lot.
It's like half the bowl.
No.
I can't see anything with these glasses.
Here. You want this?
No, I already got it.
Just that?
Is that not a lot?
That's tiny.
I'll add it.
Oh,
Oh, no, that's huge.
no.
Guys, where am I gonna store this?
Nowhere. Okay, so we finished pouring the glue.
Wait, where do I put this?
This looks
It smells like glue. School glue is the best. Okay,
It's
I put
fine.
it on the edge, so it's
I know it's not boring.
No, so then it's not.
Okay,
It's fine.
Okay.
So now we have our borax mixture.
Yeah, but first you have to mix the colors if you want colors.
Okay. Well,
What colors?
Yeah.
it smells like
glue.
glue. I want to make mine pink.
What do you mean yellow?
I'll make it blue.
No, JK, I'm making green.
So I get this red and add
I'll make
very
green.
little.
No, actually, no, I like blue.
How much do I add?
What color I added?
That's a lot.
It is?
Yeah.
Parade,
Uh-oh.
Prince music.
No, I'm gonna get like food coloring all over me.
That's why you're wearing this shirt.
Look how much you put.
I want it green. Maybe look
One drop doesn't know.
I
I'm
put
gonna
like
make
2
it
drops.
toxic.
I put 2, yeah.
It smells so bad.
No, mine's gonna look sick. You're gonna be like, wow, I should have added more green. I did it on a budget. I didn't know.
That's pretty good.
Yeah, I like it.
Well, that's cute.
Look at my pink.
You guys look at my green.
Okay,
Oh, look
everybody
at
look at our
Powerpuff
mixtures.
Girls!
Oh my god! Blossom bubbles and buttercup. Okay.
Oh my god!
Well, when the music comes on, I'm turning this up because I'm like jamming. Oh wait, I can't curse. I'm sorry, YouTube.
We're gonna get.
You have to put like the dolphin noise, like you're like.
This is good.
Okay, wait. I'm putting on my I'm putting on my
Okay, I'm
glasses
ready.
because I
I'm
need to lock
ready.
in.
I'm
Lock
ready.
in.
Okay, so now we're gonna pour water.
Hold on.
Can you like mentally?
Wait, how do I pour the water in? And I usually do it.
With a spoon. Actually, it's best if somebody else does it and then you mix the slime.
Yeah, that's what
as
I'm
it-
saying.
Yeah, so mix
Okay.
it. Like, keep mixing it. No, add it. Keep mixing.
Next, girl, next.
I'm mixing.
Oh!
Whoa! Oh my god, it's going! Ew!
I think you need more.
Yeah, it's gonna be like too. It's gonna be too gooey.
Watery.
No.
Yeah! That's what I'm talking about.
Oh. Okay.
Keep sliding.
Okay.
Oh, this is what happens when you pirate stuff.
Okay. Well, would you want to pay for it?
We're like not even past the first scene.
Okay. Wait.
Okay,
Okay. Wait.
gonna work.
Wait. Put it in. Put it in. Put
I got
it
you, I
in.
got you.
No, she's gonna like destroy it.
How will I destroy it?
It's working! Put more. Put more.
And when I take over Gotham City, corridors.
It's working! It's alive!
This is not going well, guys. Well, it's the first attempt since like I don't know when I made slime,
Yeah.
so I don't know what's going on.
How did we fumble this bad? How did 12-year-old
Look at
us know
mine!
how to
Look
do
at
it?
mine!
Okay.
So,
No, I
warning. This is not tutorial.
Disclaimer, don't do this at home. I think you can play with it now.
I don't know about that.
Guys, this ain't working out.
Why is it like?
Stop, you're moving the table!
Sorry.
I think we need to watch a tutorial.
Do you have detergent by any chance?
Yeah.
I think
think.
detergent looks better.
Okay.
There. Something's gotta work. Yeah. Yeah. That's a great. You think we could sell it for like $50?
Beautiful.
Snoop slimes.
Oh my lord. Just dump it in there. Just like dump.
Okay.
Show the camera! Show the camera!
Listen, I did not mean that. Take some, guys, steal from me.
No, don't take it. Leave it in there.
is it not doing anything?
It's doing stuff. It's doing stuff.
Barely.
Stop! I just got detergent.
It just keeps going liquid.
Look, 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 it's working. It's working.
Shut up.
Guys, trust me.
Oh.
This is too much. I added too much.
Should I just?
You would have been fine had you added more detergent.
You think?
Yes, trust. Look how mine's getting.
Hold it.
Can I have more glue, please?
More glue?
Super slime. Thanks, babe. Borax doesn't make any. I never use borax. I use detergent.
The borax always worked for me.
Is that borax? It's not the borax.
Doctor, that sounds
So,
great.
okay, something's happening.
Okay.
Something's happening.
I'm putting a third spoon of borax. I just put it. It's so bad. Raw. Wait! It worked! What'd you do? Oh my god! Wait, no, it actually worked! Is that slimy?
Now get me the mail.
Oh.
Wait, it worked! Oh!
See, you just need more borax.
Do this. Jim, did you find Batman?
I thought the detergent would work, guys.
Oh, there's so much borax. It's just like liquid in the bottom. Okay, I'm going in with my hands.
Oh, she's going in. Oh, but yours is good. No, look at mine. Wait, look. It's just like gum. Wait, mine is good. What the fuck? What are you cracking my doing that? You need to add more.
Oh, by the way, our group name is Jab. Juliana and I use Brooke. Jab. Why doesn't she understand?
No, I get it. I just trying to come up with a better one. Because jab sounds like you're jabbing.
Okay, well, that was a better one. Abj.
Wait, we did it! Yeah. Okay, time to add the letters.
Already? Should we roll it in this?
I'm telling you.
The only thing that it should
If you
did
say
was made
so.
it not smell like
No,
glue.
9-year-old me would be so disappointed. Right
This is like a fucking brain. Oh.
Bro, can you do it?
Look at Anais' is good. You have to knead it.
Look,
I don't want to touch mine.
I got it! Look!
I can read it for you if you want.
Oh, this feels interesting.
Ew, it's disgusting. Okay, so
Like,
I would
on
like to
Laggy.
say that my slime was a
Wait,
success.
actually, like mine is starting to work
But
too.
mine isn't stretchy. We need to add shaving cream.
Yeah, mine isn't stretchy either, but honestly, from how it started, I can't even complain that it.
Let's get nuts. Because I just wrote a song about how I'm gonna kick all your
Aww. In the darkest night, I make the bad guys fall.
Can't sell this.
We can sell this. Yeah, we should just give it to like a 5th grade.
Oh, do you guys see that? Wow.
Mine just like clean. I think I added to my borax.
Yours is nicer.
You haven't seen my brain. Ladies, it's okay if you stare. Cause I'm a billionaire!
No.
I like how it lags every like 10 seconds. Okay, this is my first time actually making slime. Like, I'm not even gonna actually.
You've never made slime before?
Like in school, but I don't think that counts. You can slime.
Ooh!
Did you hear my?
Interesting.
Okay, wait. Let's use.
The clear blue?
Yeah. Okay, so then we're gonna have our done slimes like up here.
Just there?
Yeah. So we can have them like on presentation.
This one's the borax.
I don't think so.
But the colors are cute.
Oh my god! You dumped the entire thing in there. Okay.
Oh shoot!
Oh, you're like really blue everywhere. Slime too.
Yeah, I'm really tripping.
Oh. It's slime.
Is that glue?
Yeah, I think so. Just let it.
Let it go.
Did you dump your entire bottle?
Yeah.
Fred.
What?
You're gonna be what?
I'm gonna make yellow pea slime.
Ah.
Slowly down.
Oh my god, this looks like amber. Like, it's
Oh, that's so cool.
I think you can start playing with it.
Sorry.
Ew, it just pissed on me.
What do you expect?
Oh my god, look at my slime. Oh my god, it's disgusting. Oh my god, it's disgusting.
It's so bad.
Oh my god, it's disgusting. It's like, you can make yours like,
This music is really
I don't know, I'm trying to find non-copyright music. Hello.
Hello. We tried clear glue and it didn't.
What is this set up over there? What are you doing?
YouTube video. Do you like the green screen behind?
Green screen.
I think I give up.
It's like a.
Should we mix them together?
Let's mix
Sure.
it.
Wait, split in half. Then we can each mix it.
No, I hate the way it feels.
Ooh, ketchup and mustard. Let's try to mix them.
What do
Oh my god, it's like a gummy Krabby. It's like a gummy Krabby Patty.
Oh.
It's like a cinnamon roll.
Lava slime.
Slime Factory Girl Brooke here, and this is my pink slime, first one that we made today. I think we added a little too much borax. We haven't made slime in a while, but after letting it sit for like a few minutes, it's a little bit better. It's still like not super stretchy, but it does make some good pops. So it's fun. What about you?
Look at this. Look at it. Look how beautiful.
This color is so cool though. It's just rubbery.
Look. Tell me you wouldn't want to buy this for $50.
Okay, so my slime, my white glue slime, the blue one, it actually turned out pretty good. Solid. Pretty stretchy. Can I play with yours? Yeah.
Look at this one.
Oh, I don't think I want to.
The colors are really cool. Yeah, but like look, it jiggles. Like literally touch it. Like
It's a rock.
Like it feels like a jiggly rock. Okay. Okay, ready? I'm gonna stretch it. Hopefully it doesn't break, because that would be really nice. It needs to like rest before it stretches good. I don't know why.
How's this good?
Ooh. Here's the stretching one.
Wait, come back to my.
This is breaking though. You have like alien slime. Okay, so now that it's here, we're gonna play with it. Flip it. And then hold it. Hopefully it pops. No, nothing good. Ooh! Okay, but now it's like just ripping. How do you guys like? Which one's better? This one or that one? Choose. Based on what? Please, guys. Please.
Loki, I think the color is better.
Comment down below.
Like and comment and subscribe if you think mine's better.
Smash that like button. Hey guys, it's Anna East, one of the Slime Factory girls. And so I'm here to test. Keep going. I'm gonna be testing one of the slimes I made during this video. It's
Make a bubble, make a bubble.
oh my god! No! Okay, no, well, it pops. That was pretty good. Oh, ooh. Ready?
What?
Wow, very stretchy.
Honey.
It's other slime. It's really good. Okay, I'm gonna keep mixing it. These are gonna be easier to mix than the freaking yeah. Which one's prettiest? Which one's the prettiest? I'm pretty sure it's gonna be these two. I think it's gonna be the green one. Oh yeah, this is so beautiful. Yeah, me too. We're taking it tomorrow. Am I taking it tomorrow?
Yeah.
Low-key, I want to study for Gov. And also, I'm going to be like busy all day tomorrow. So when I get home, I'm probably just going to study for Gov. I'll do it in the week. You like it?
We're like this, we're like, hey!
Yes. Hey, we're the Slime Factory speaker just for us not to use it. And I used to give your glasses on. You said it! You didn't want to remember